Have you ever wondered about the future of garages and workshops in the electric vehicle era? Imagine a world where your local garage is not just a place for repairs, but a hub of innovation and evolution, ready to meet the demands of the electric vehicle revolution. This is where Velyen steps in. A beacon of quality and local manufacturing, Velyen has been at the forefront of the automotive industry for over 7 decades. Nestled in the heart of Spain, Velyen is a European manufacturer of lifting equipment that prides itself on its commitment to quality and innovation. Since its inception in 1950, Velyen has combined state-of-the-art machinery with modern techniques to produce reliable equipment. It's a place where executives and family members gather to discuss the importance of local manufacturing and the superior quality of their products. And it's not just local pride. Velyen exports its top-notch equipment to over 40 countries worldwide. The story of Velyen is one of dedication to quality. Over 90% of their products are made in Europe, a testament to their commitment to local manufacturing. But it's not just about the numbers. It's about the impact that Velyen has on the community. This family-owned company creates jobs and supports families in the region, a fact they are proud to share. Velyen's commitment to quality doesn't end with manufacturing. They invest heavily in their people, ensuring that every lift they manufacture is a product of dedicated craftsmanship. Transparency is a key value at Velyen. They are candid about where their raw materials come from and how their products are made. This honesty has earned them the trust of workshops around the world. As the automotive industry evolves, so does Velyen. They are ready to help workshops optimize their operations with innovative solutions and new business models. Velyen understands the potential of after-sales in your workshop and is ready to help you seize it. Velyen is not just a manufacturer. They are a community that values craftsmanship, quality, and integrity. They are a company that understands the importance of supporting the local economy and choosing European equipment. It's time to think about the future. It's time to think about Velyen. If you value quality, local manufacturing, and a company committed to excellence, consider Velyen for your workshop needs. Velyen, automotive in motion.